Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a video to a group on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's new update, sharing videos with your group chats from your computer has never been easier. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start sharing your favorite moments with friends, family, or your community, all from the comfort of your desktop. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Go ahead and click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the group chat you want to send your video to. Click on that group to open the conversation. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice a message bar where you usually type your messages. Right next to it, there's a small photo icon. Click on this icon, and a File Explorer window will pop up. From here, navigate to the folder on your computer where your video is saved. Select the video you want to share, and click Open. You'll see the video appear in your message bar, ready to go. Before you send it, you can add a caption if you want, or just hit the Send button right away. That's it. Your video will be instantly shared with everyone in the group chat. With these simple steps, you can now send videos to any Instagram group straight from your PC, making it super convenient to keep your conversations lively and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.